as we start and we prepare to do a short meditation, what I'd like you to do is just check in with yourself. So just take a moment to take a nice big deep breath. Breathing in fully into your belly and a long, slow, deep breath out. And as you do that, just checking in. So check in with your body. How are you feeling? How are you feeling in your body? And how are you feeling in your mind? So just checking in with that for a start. And now, getting yourself really comfortable, so you can be lying down or sitting or whatever it is that works for you. It doesn't really matter. I meditate in all sorts of different places, and I think what's important is that we do it. So closing your eyes or lowering your gaze, and just starting to focus on your breath. So taking a big, deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And another one. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Last one. Nice big breath in to your belly through your nose. And really blow this one out. Now just feel your toes on the ground or your legs on the chair or the bed or whatever it might be that you're sitting or lying on. Noticing your feet and your legs and up to your hips and your backside, your lower back, your mid-back, both of your arms. Just feel your arms becoming heavy and relaxed, all the way down to your fingertips and back up to your shoulders. And as you continue to breathe your natural breath, focus on your shoulders, your neck. Relax your face, the back of your head, and the top of your head. And just feeling your whole body a little more relaxed. Now, just continue to focus on your breath. Just your natural breathing, nothing forced. Just relaxed, slow breathing. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And we're just going to sit here just for a couple of minutes, focusing on our breath. feeling that lovely, relaxed state of your body. All of your body, from your toes right up to the tip of your head. Relaxed. And if you find your mind wanders, just come back to focusing on your breath. And in your head, you can say to yourself, breathing in, breathing out. It's quite normal for your mind to wander. Mine does all the time. So just bring it back gently. And be compassionate with yourself. There's no need to beat yourself up for wandering in your mind during a meditation. So let's sit quietly now just for another minute or so. And as you sit here, focusing on your breath, what are you aware of? What can you hear? I can hear the fire going beside me. I've just heard my husband wake up in the room next door. He might come through in a minute. I can hear the rooster next door. I can hear the birds. What can you hear? And as you start to notice what you can hear, just start to wiggle your toes and maybe your fingers. You might like to move your arms, roll your shoulders, maybe have a big stretch. And then take a nice, big, deep breath in through your nose and out your mouth. And when you're ready, just open your eyes with your gaze lowered and come back to the present moment. Now, before we started, we talked about noticing how you felt. And I'm just wondering, what do you notice now? What are you noticing in your mind and your body? And what are you noticing about your feelings after we've just done that very short meditation? Let's have a little chat about that. If you'd like to pop something in the comments, we can have a little chat about that. How was it for you? What did you notice? I know I noticed that my heart rate slowed. It was a little elevated before I came on because I couldn't get the software to work. So I'm feeling Like my heart rate has really come down, and I'm sure if I look at my Apple Watch, it will tell me that it has. And I feel much more relaxed than I did when I started. And I feel much more in the present and much more centered. Did you notice anything about your thoughts or feelings as we did that little meditation? Thank you for commenting, thank you for liking and sharing and all the things. And I will see you live next week, but between now and next week I have got 3 videos to go up, so they are all scheduled, so keep an eye out for those. Thank you so much for joining.